We are celebrating the fact that our YouTube channel now has 5,000 subscribers.
Which is fantastic, and I'm super grateful to every single one of them.
It doesn't sound sincere.
No, I am.
Okay.
I know what tends to happen when we get a landmark moment in subscribers. I'm ready for it.
There's a few things about it. 5,000 subscribers for the medium in which they see us.
Yeah.
The medium in which they don't see us is substantially more than that.
Yeah.
So,
I mean,
what's happening then? What would you deduce from that?
We're on the YouTubes, but we're more popular by our blog, which is the magazine format.
Yes.
People like to read from us.
So does that suggest that there's something wrong with how we look?
When you say we...
You.
Not so much.
Not so much as you.
But, there could be an issue with our format. Part of the format. Maybe that's it.
What part of the format's wrong?
It's weird that the website traffic is substantially higher, and that's not got your face all over it. I don't know. I can't figure it.
You think it's my face?
I mean, I don't want to say that. Did you say that?
I think you just said that. I think you said it's my face that's the problem.
Oh, well, it could be. It could be. Now you said it, I think it could be. Anyway, 5,000 subscribers, so that's good.
So this is to celebrate 5,000 subscribers, and in true INGAF 120 FPS style, I'm giving something away to celebrate this new milestone.
I knew that was coming. So you get this fantastic box from Comica, and this is something that I bought. And you're welcome to have this box.
This is the Comica, I think it's called the U2, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Yes, the Comica Boom X U2 2-channel wireless lavalier mic set. We're giving away as a...
Surprise.
Why are you saying surprise?
Well, because you get the box. It's a great surprise.
Pete?
Yeah. Yeah, but see, the thing is, every time you do a giveaway, it's always my stuff. So if you're going to give it away, you can give the box away.
There's nothing in the box.
No, because I anticipated your move, and I took it out of the box.
Right. Okay, you don't win the box. Oh, no, the box is included, but you'll get the whole mic set.
You have to choose. You can choose.
No, you don't have to choose.
You can choose to just have the box if you want.
You can have the whole mic set.
A couple $100 worth, AJ. That'd be stupid.
It was like 200 and something quid. There it is in all its
upside down
beautiful glory. Yeah, it's upside down. Okay, I'll hold it this way. There you go. Something like that.
Anyway, it doesn't matter. What would you rather have, this or the box?
Well, obviously this is
so
you've got
case. You've got a sender unit. Let's say you're interviewing two people and you go, oh my God, I've only got one lapel.
Yeah.
Not anymore.
No, you got two.
No, you got two. They've got a unit each.
Yeah.
You get to feel like you're working for a main broadcaster.
Yeah, it is actually a really cool device. It's got these two aerials, got a little screen on it.
It's not yours.
Pete bought it. Look, it's a full colour screen. Hello. Yeah. Wireless lavalier set. Really good quality, actually. It really surprised me because... obviously, it's not one of these well-known brands, but Comica is pretty good. And in a cool little...
Convenient
little carry case.
Where you can put your microphones away separately so they don't get damaged.
This is for you for free.
Or you can have the box.
Or you can just have just the box.
Just say, if you'd rather have the box, then...
or
just
both
say,
together.
Or not.
Yeah, so the Comica Boom X U2 is available as a prize for one of our lucky subscribers. To thank you for following us, I'll put a link below this video or in the podcast description. Also on our website.
Not even after new subscribers. You're just going to do a draw on subscribers. Just
to say thanks.
Well, that's ridiculous.
It'll be on our website as well, 120fps.co.uk. Just on the homepage. I'll stick it there. If you're listening to this as a podcast, that's where you'll find it. Our 5,000 subscriber giveaway
is stupid.
2 weeks' time, I'll draw the winner and we'll announce it on the show.
And it could be anyone.
Could be anyone.
We're going to do one of those roulette things.
Well, I'll do
like 5,000 turns.
Yeah, I'll do it in that Gleam platform and it does it automatically.
That makes more sense.
It's easy. I just click one button and it goes
All right. I was just thinking we'd do a big.
The weird thing is that I did that once, and it came up. The winner was Pete Morgan from St Austell.
So.
Have you been entering our competitions to try and win back the stuff of yours I'm giving away?
No. There's lots of people with my name. Do you remember having a phone book when you were younger?
Yes.
No. Okay.
So it's just coincidental.
It's a popular name.
The thing with Gleam, though, is that it quite often links to one of your well-known social platforms and will draw the profile image.
Don't worry about that. Anyway, I get cloned an awful lot. So
cloned?
We get cloned. I get a lot of people want to be like me.
So don't hesitate. Make sure you enter. At least then it will combat the chance of Pete committing competition fraud and winning it back.
But if I win, I win.
I invalidated that entry.
I'll win under another name.
So yes, to thank you, and we do really appreciate it. Despite us being stupid, 5,000 people is a huge amount. And it means a lot to us. So to give something back to that community is the least we can do. And as you know,
the least I can do is you're not giving anything away.
No, every time Pete buys something that we're not going to use, I will be giving it away continually as an incentive to stick around and look at my face. So that about wraps it up. Thanks for joining us for this momentous landmark event. 5,000 of you beautiful bastards.
That's right. Remember, if you want the box, all you have to do is be a subscriber.
Actually, the whole thing.
Don't even worry about the details. Everyone wants a box.
And the whole thing.
And if you like reading about camera gear, you don't want to watch it, and for obvious reasons I can understand that, there's a couple of options for you. You can read, you can follow our blog site, which is 120fps.co.uk, or maybe you want to listen for reasons that you don't want to watch. You can. There's a link below to the podcast. No matter what platform that is, you can drive along with me in the car. Maybe you're in the car now just listening to me. I'm coming through your speakers. Have you got a subwoofer under your seat?
Right, okay. And if you really love what we do, I'm going to turn his microphone off for this. You can support the channel by joining our channel memberships. It goes a huge way to supporting us. And as a thank you, you get access to exclusive content.
Have you turned me on?
Yeah, I've turned... Oh, God. So, remember, thumbs show love. So be careful where you put them. We'll see you next time.
That's my line.
Bye!
Bye!